Welcome. I'm Blake Christensen, founder and president of Nutra Connection. I'm super excited today to take you on a tour of our 88,000 square feet of beautiful manufacturing, warehousing, and fulfillment facilities. Let's go take a look. Here's where we clean and gown up before entering the manufacturing area. A full hand wash station equipped with a foot wash station to sanitize the soles of your shoes. We have 2 blending rooms. We use a 20 cubic foot V blender for smaller blends and a beautiful 114 cubic foot paddle fluidizer blender for large scale blending. The large paddle fluidizer blender is loaded pneumatically. All of the powders are contained and conveyed in stainless steel tubing. Powders arriving in smaller bags are opened by a unique bag splitting system that removes the powders from bags, conveys the powders through an auger system to a sifter and magnet system before being conveyed to the blender. The empty bags are discharged and compacted in a very large tubular trash bag for disposal. Powders arriving in large bulk bags or super sacks are unloaded through a large bulk bag unloader, where the powder is transferred through the same sifter and magnet before entering the blender. After the powders are blended, the powders are discharged through a metal detector and filled into large bulk bags, which are then transported into one of our packaging rooms. We offer several packaging capabilities. We love our multi-lane stick packing equipment. We can run single serving packets in 3 different widths, 23, 35, or 40 millimeter widths to cover various dosing needs. Our high-speed powder or non-powder rotary baggers are truly amazing. These 8-station rotary baggers pick up the pouch or gusseted bag, lock coat and open the pouch for filling, fill the pouch, ensure the seal area is free from filling content, and seals the pouch. The filled pouches are then passed through a check weigher and X-ray metal detection to ensure these pouches were filled correctly. Before packing the filled pouches into shipper cases or product displays. Our encapsulation equipment is second to none. We have the very reliable Syntagon Bosch 3005 model, fully equipped with a capsule transfer system, powder transfer system, powder reclamation system, capsule polisher, and metal detection. Our high-speed bottling line features everything needed to fill capsules, tablets, or soft gels into fully packaged bottles. Our bottling line is complete with metal detection and tamper-evident sealing capabilities. This is our development lab, where we take your ideas from concept to reality with the help of our experienced formulators. Our warehousing area is where all of the raw materials and packaging arrive, are sampled and tested prior to manufacturing, and where all of the finished products are stored for shipping. For those who choose to use our order fulfillment services, your finished products will be delivered to our order fulfillment facility, where your orders will be picked, packed, and shipped directly to your clients. We welcome in-person tours or visits. Please let us know how we can help support your manufacturing and fulfillment needs.